To get started in edrone, it is necessary to create an account. When setting it up, the system will ask you a few questions that will allow you to develop a customized implementation plan specifically for you. Tell us your name and email address. Provide your store URL and your phone number. Specify what is a priority for you, or go directly to the edrone system. You will configure the password at the later stage after verifying your email address. Just remember that it is important to include upper and lowercase letters, a number and a special character, and a minimum of 8 characters. If you want to add more than one store to edrone, use the option to add new workspace by clicking on the plus right here.
The next step is to import the archive contact database. Without this, there's no group which you will be able to communicate. If you don't have a target audience yet, you can use all of our features. You can use our on-site elements, or you can use our engagements newsletter subscription. But now, let's prepare your file to import. Prepare a file which contains only the relevant information, such as email, name, last name, and subscription status. Any other information, it is optional. For your subscribers, assign the number 1 for the ones who have accepted to receive all your marketing content. For your status unknown, the one who didn't accept to receive your marketing content but they left their email, assign a blank space. And for the status unsubscribes, the one who don't want to receive any of your marketing content, please assign a 0. Once that you have all the information, save this file as a CSV format. You will be able to do it. Please come back to your workspace, go to Settings, Import Customer Database, New Import. Specify the purpose to your import and select the action, in this case add new users. Specify that your file already contains the subscription status, and for the duplicate records choose Override. Now we can move to the second step, upload the file. You can select the file from your device, the one that you already prepared, and you will be able to upload it to the edrone system. Once that is done, we are on the fields mapping. Here connect all the information to the corresponding one. Email with email, name with name, last name with last name, and of course, subscription status with the one you already prepared. In step number 4, you can add a tag that will be organize your information, and then you can click continue. And that's it. Your import is ready. You can click on summary, and you can display all the details from this import by displaying the arrow. And if you have any question, you can always go to our articles to learn how to get started, or watch our videos regarding to this topic. Once you have logged into the system, we need to integrate your store with the edrone platform. The system receives the information about your store and allows you to use it only after the integration is done. Integrate your store platform with edrone by clicking on the link shown on the screen, or go to Settings, Integration. Here, fill in the address of your store, set the currency, and select your from the list below. For all the most popular platforms, we have ready-made integrations. The implementation takes only a few steps that you must follow. If your platform is not on the list, use our technical documentation available here. When your system is already integrated, write to hello@edrone.me and you will receive information on its correctness. At this stage, the system is already up and running, so it is time to determine which scenarios you want to run, which on-site elements, and which newsletter to choose. Go to the engagement section, and here our recommended scenario it is newsletter subscription, in order to build your subscriber base. Our must-have scenarios are recovered abandoned carts, viewed products, and after-sale scenario. where you will get the best open rate. To run a scenario, click on the one you want and follow the steps you will find at the top of the page. Step 1, which is the Get Started section. Here you will check how the scenario works and what messages will be sent to it. Step number 2 is the Customize or Adjust section. Here you will set the number of messages as well as the frequency of sending them. Here you can also enter limits such as send no more often than. This option will allow you to not overwhelm your customers with emails. Choose how many days and hours to separate consecutive messages. And do not send after order. How much time must pass after an order is placed to start sending new messages. Next step, language. Here you can choose if you would like to use single language or multi-language. Knowing that if you choose multi-language, you will have to create a specific message for each one of them. Next step, sender. Here you can create your predefined senders. Just click on the plus, enter the name of your company, and the emails that you would like to use for it. After you can just add, and you will be able to find it on your copy from predefined senders. Now it is time for message design. Depending on how many messages have been selected in the Customize section, there are so many creations to prepare. Start by choosing a design from the list of ready-made templates. Choose the one that caught your attention, click on it, and prepare to edit. We'll start by changing the subject of the message. Right after, change the logo for the one of your store. Don't forget to use alternate text and URL address for each one of your graphics. Add the information regarding to your social media, connecting the URL address to each one of them. Change the image of your banner from one of your own, or you can use our image bank on the left side of your menu. Now it is time for dynamic elements. Choose the ones that are correct for your design and insert on the creation. Below, you will find your button. Here you can connect your URL address of your web store or any other part of your website that you would like to share with your customers. Fill the information regarding to your contact. You can add your phone number, email address, or any possible location for your store. The last element, it will be related to the information about the administrator of your personal data. Now that you have your design, go to the right top corner and click on Copy. I will show you in a brief moment how you can still use this design in the future. The next step on the navigation bar is the discount code. Use our merge tag to insert the coupon code and then move to the next section, coupon. Here you need to upload a CSV file with codes generated from the platform or enter a static code. After we add our coupon, it is time to move to the review section. Here you have several options. The first one is to send to yourself or to your entire team a test email in order to check if the design and the creation are in accordance to your desires of marketing purposes. Once that you have established that this is the design that you would like to send to all your customers, click on the button Run. If you would like to have more information regarding all your scenarios, please go to the report section. In this section, you will be able to observe information regarding to a specific engagement. You will see the information in terms of the revenue, the orders. Also, you can decide from which time you would like to observe the information. Select the messages, select the type of channel, and check all the metrics regarding to how many emails has been sent how many emails has been opened, and more. Now go back to the list of all scenarios. Enter to the next one that you would like to run. Go to the Customize section, adjust the parameters, and then go straight to Design. Remember how we talked about copying an earlier message creation? Click Paste and place the created here. The system it will ask you a confirmation. You just need to go to OK, and then the template you prepare has been pasted. Now all you need to do is modify the message of the text or the subject, change the logo, change any banner, or edit any part of your design that you would like to adjust for this new creation. Remember always to use the right dynamic elements for your design. And with this, you are going to be able to create scenarios quickly and conveniently depending on your marketing purposes. Moving on to the on-site section. Launching our on-site functionalities like pop-up, web layer, social proof, chat, and more, it is possible to be done with just a few steps. Build your customer base, validate the proof of your store, and communicate with your customers using edrone. Now I will work through the on-site element builder to show you how quick and easy it is. The first thing that we need to do, it is to click on the plus and proceed. In the first step, select the target you would like to focus on, and then you can choose the template that you like. Confirm with the system, and you will be on the second step, which is the design section. Here, change the graphics, adjust the content, and place the element according to what kind of information you want to collect from your customers